if you're experiencing a verification pending status with the Housing and Development Bank in Switzerland, follow these steps to resolve the issue quickly. Step 1. Check your email. Ensure you have received any communication from the bank regarding your verification. Look for emails that may require you to provide additional information or documents. Step 2. Gather required documents. Collect all necessary documents that may be needed for verification. This typically includes identification, proof of address, and any other relevant financial documents. Step 3. Contact customer support. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use SROP to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background, constantly scanning billions of breached records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 4. Submit additional information. If requested, promptly submit any additional information or documents to the bank. Ensure that all submissions are clear and complete to avoid further delays. Step 5. Follow up. After submitting the required information, follow up with customer support to confirm that your documents have been received and to check the status of your verification. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the verification pending issue efficiently. If problems persist, consider seeking assistance from a financial advisor.